Hey, Chevrolet pickup time here. A 1949 Chevy 3600. Great looking body style in these trucks. This one is all steel. Has been repainted and frame on restoration done to it. Show you the interior here in a little bit. That has also been gone through. Nice looking truck. All right, first off, underneath the hood, 235 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder. That is paired with a 4-speed synchro mesh transmission. Should get a good look at this. You can see we got the kind of two-tone paint bumper look. Otherwise, chrome bumper. Good look at condition of that, as well as the Chevrolet hood emblem and bright work on both of the headlights. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this truck, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Take a look at the interior here. Vinyl seat does have seat belts installed. There you can see shifter on the floor, that 4-speed manual. We'll start it up here, take a look underneath the hood, you'll be able to hear it run. Check out the engine bay. Now there are a couple of floor mats in here that I will throw back in the cab. I just took them out so you can see the carpeting in the pictures. Obviously wood bed. Great shape on this. That was also replaced. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Truck does show kind of some patina, if you will, or just its age up on the top of some of the fenders. You're going to have a ding or a nick here and there, which is a cool look on a classic old truck like this. It's not painted up and meant to be perfect, but if you want to still take her to any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, great truck for something like that. Still has some eyeball, and of course these 49 body style, very popular. Once again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Black running boards to match the black wheels with chrome wheel covers, or polished wheel covers, I should say. Chevrolet script across the middle of the wheel covers. All right. Of course, the door tag been stamped on it is there, and again, that'll all be in the still pictures that you can check out. Kind of the silver and gray look in the interior throughout the headliner and seat. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. Of course, you're gonna have the key here, and of course the starter down on the floor. Oil pressure gauge, fuel gauge, all appear to work there. Temp, not sure about, assuming that's going to come up with engine temperature, of course. You'd also have choke and throttle. All right, let's make sure we're neutral. Slip around to the back. See what I would expect a 235 to sound like. Smooth runner, no crazy exhaust, anything like that on it. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood opened up. Let's check out that engine bay so you can see it, and also take a little listen to that engine running.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Now, according to the casting, looks like that was a mid-50s 235 engine that is in this, according to the casting number. Smooth runner, sounds good. So if you're looking for a classic old Chevrolet, here you go, 1949 Chevrolet 3600. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.